Hi, welcome to the Electrical Engineering Workshop. Now over here, I'm Mr. Ng here, the lecturer teaching the power devices and application. So my task here today is to actually show you and brief you what we taught the students in this module. Now earlier on you have seen Dr. Alexi and my colleague Mr. Saleh will explain to you the other two modules that they have taught, which form part of the integrated washing machine project. For Dr. Alexi's sensor and instrumentation module, what his module does is actually to monitor the status of the machine, of the washing machine, and the status of the different control elements like the valves and so on. And Mr. Saleh, his module on this microcontroller application actually provides the control signals to drive what I'm going to build here, that is the driver circuit for the motor, so that it can power the DC motor to move the machine, the top of the washing machine, so that the loads can be washed. Alright? Okay, so now the students here actually started with just a board, that is a plain strip board, or we call Vero board. And with this board, and they are given a circuit, and this circuit here is actually the circuit of a H-bridge driver for a DC machine. And the students are supposed to actually build from this circuitry the actual component layout, the circuit configurations, and then they will have to test it out over here. Now during the process of building this circuit board, the components on, they have plenty of opportunities to make mistakes. As you can see from here, the ready-made board is actually something like this. So you can see that it's very compact. We bought the components in, and when the students make a mistake, they have to learn how to troubleshoot using the instruments here, the oscilloscopes, and to find out where the fault is. It's a very good opportunity for them to hone their skills in troubleshooting. And when everything is done, they have to hook it up on this prototype station, which actually runs a small DC motor instead of going to the actual washing machine. The reason being, if it's not working over here, then they don't need to try it on the big machine, which could have caused more problem if there's a circuit fault. Now over here, what they do is, after they have finished connecting everything, they have to connect up the oscilloscope probes to the appropriate control signals on this bridge to monitor the control signals, which are actually obtained by simulation using this function generator. Okay, now I'll demo to you how this works. First of all, when they after connecting this one, they will have to turn on power supply. There you go. You can see that the motor is running. There are two control signals that are active, while the other two are actually off. So the motor is running in one direction. And if everything is fine, they have to push this button to activate the reversal of the motor rotation, which can be seen as thus. Please take note of this and this. Alright, there will be a change on direction and also the control signals monitored. Okay, so this one looks fine, and therefore this board will be ready for testing on the actual washing machine.